Hello nerdies, hope you are good. Here we come with another exciting video that will definitely give your thoughts a goosebumps. So without wasting the time, let's get excited. Yes, here we are going to discuss about Planet X. If you are as much excited as I am, then you are at the right place because in this video, you will know everything about the Planet X. So first question is when and who discovered Planet X? For that, let's get back to the history. The simple answer is Planet X was discovered by Percival Lowell and its discovery started in mid-19th century and continued at the start of 20th, but he accidentally found Pluto. After all this, Caltech researchers have found mathematical evidence suggesting that there may be Planet X deep in the solar system. Yes, you heard it right. Here we are talking about our own solar system's undiscovered planet. So what is Planet X? Before understanding about Planet X, we have to understand about our own solar system. So, our solar system contains 8 planets which were Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. But our solar system contains 9 planets before 2006 and this 9th planet was Pluto, which was demoted as dwarf planet later on. This is all planets that we know, but scientists believe that our solar system consists one more planet and this planet is called 9th planet or Planet X. But in reality, no one have any proof about existence of Planet X. They have only theory on Planet X. So here we again one question rises in why scientists believe that Planet X exists. Astronomers studying the Kuiper belt have noticed some of the dwarf planets and other small icy objects tend to follow orbits that cluster together. So now another question rises in your mind, then what is Kuiper belt? So in short, Kuiper belt, also called Edgeworth-Kuiper belt, a flat ring of icy small bodies that revolve around the sun beyond the orbit of our planet Neptune, which is called a Kuiper belt. We will definitely go in detail about Kuiper belt in another video. For now, let's get back to the track. By analyzing of these orbits, the Caltech team predicted the possibility that a large, previously undiscovered planet may be hiding far beyond Pluto. They estimated that the gravity of this potential planet might explain the unusual orbits of those Kuiper objects. Now, let's get to know about the size, mass and orbit of Planet X. According to Caltech researchers' data, Planet X have 10 times larger mass than Earth and smaller than Uranus or Neptune. It is the most amazing thing that these planets take 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years to make one full orbit around the Sun because its orbit is 20 times larger than the average orbit of Neptune. This planet is too far away from Sun, around 2.8 million miles away, so this planet might be completely frozen with ice. In the searching of Planet X, astronomers including Batkin and Brown will begin using the world's most powerful telescopes to search for the object in its predicted orbit. Any object that far away from the Sun will be very faint and hard to detect, but astronomers calculated that it should be possible to see it using existing telescopes. So this is all for now. For more interesting stuffs like this, do subscribe and comment down your views about the Planet X. If you find this interesting, do share with your science buddies. We will back in the space journey in another exciting video. Till then, be excited.